Hello and welcome. You're watching PMC English. This is Ayushi Pharasi. I'm here again with another story in a segment of motivational stories. Today's story is about sense of time. So here goes the story. Once an old man and a young man were sitting on the shore of a wild and stormy river. Master, the student asked, why does the time flow straight but always ripples, either slowing down to a complete stop or racing like a cow with a thistle under her tail? The teacher looked at the seething water and answered, you see there a few large stones in the river and a lot of small pebbles. Imagine that the river is your life. If you will only rejoice over big occasions like your wedding that will happen next month, or like a new baby that you will have after 1 year, or a new business that you will start after 5 years, then you will cross your life in a few jumps, like jumping from one stone to another. Otherwise, if you will move in small places over the pebbles, taking joy in small things, a sunny day, the beauty of autumn forest, a good conversation, then later looking back at your life, you won't see 10 big stones but lots of your own traces, and each of them you will be able to remember with a happy smile, and you will see that the time that you have crossed is much longer. But teacher, when I love or when I do the work that I like, or when I have a talk with my friends, the time flies fast, but the time drags so long when I'm hurt, when I'm afraid, or when I feel lonely. You see, the old man answered wistfully, this is what it should be. When we are unhappy, we don't live, but we only exist. So the time lies still in our wallets. And only for our happiness we pay the ringing coin of time that will still have left. Well, this little story gives us a moral that time is very precious and we should not waste it in any way. Likewise, we can earn the money we spend, but we can't get back the time we have lost. So, this makes the time more valuable than money. Hence, we should utilize the time in the most possible way. Well, I hope that this little story will make a difference in your life. Now you can write to us your inspirational story or any motivational story that you want us to convey from this platform. You can write to us at mailpmcenglish@gmail.com. Well, this is Ayushi Pharasi signing off. Stay tuned to PMC English for more updates.